Hello friends, good morning. Today we will learn about real numbers and their decimal expansions. Real numbers and their decimal expansions. Clear? So what is real number? First of all, real numbers are the collection of all rational and irrational numbers. Real numbers are the collection of all rational and irrational numbers. Clear? Now we will discuss how we can represent a given numbers in their decimal forms as by some examples. That is the first example, 10/3. We divide 10 by 3. 6 is 9. 1 we place decimal 10. 6 is 9. 1. 6 is 9. 1. 6 is 9. 1. We see that after first digit, the digit 3 repeat itself and the remainder never becomes 0. When in division process, the remainder never becomes 0, and in quotient a digit or block of digit repeat itself, then decimal expansion is known as non-terminating but repeating decimal. Clear? Now we take the second example, which is 7/8. We see that at it is 64. 10 minus 4 6, 60. 8 7 56. 4 40. 8 5 40. Means G. Remainder becomes 0. Here remainder is 1. If in decimal representation the remainder becomes 0, then it is known as terminating decimal. Clear? So we see that in decimal representation, if remainder becomes 0, then it is called terminating decimal. If remainder does not become 0 and a digit or block of digit repeats itself, then it is known as non-terminating but repeating decimals. If in decimal representation remainder never becomes 0 and in quotient the digits do not repeat itself, then we see that the decimal representation is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Once again, if in decimal representation the remainder becomes 0, then decimal representation is known as terminating decimal. If remainder never becomes 0, but in quotient one digit or a block of digit repeats itself, then it is known as non-terminating but repeating decimal. If remainder never becomes 0 and one digit or a block of digit never repeats in the quotient, then it is known as non-terminating, not recurring decimal. Clear? Now we see that how we convert decimal in rational forms. We take some examples. The first example is that represent 3.142678 in the form of P upon Q. Clear? First of all, we write x equal to 3.14267. We have to write it in the form of P upon Q. First of all, we multiply this by a suitable number to remove the decimal points. X equal to 3.142678 into, because the decimal point is after first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth digit. Hence we multiply by 10 lakh. 1 into 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. Clear? Now it becomes 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, 31 lakh, 42,678 upon 1, 10, 100, 1000 lakh, 10 lakh. Clear? Now this is represented in form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. In the similar way, we can take, if anyone say, represent in form of 0.39, then first of all we write x equal to 0.039. The decimal point is after 3 digit. Hence we multiply by a suitable number 0.039 into 1000 upon 1000, means x equal to 39 upon 1000. Now we will learn how we convert the repeating decimals in the form of P upon Q, as x equal to 0.3333 a number of times. We see that the digit 3 repeats itself. Now we can write x equal to 0.3 bar. Okay? We have x equal to 0.3333 and so on. The replacement of digit 1, hence we multiply both sides by 2. If the replacement of digit will be 2, then we multiply by 100. And if the replacement of digit will be 3, then we multiply both sides by 1000 and so on. Hence, the replacement of digit 1, hence we multiply by 10 on both sides of the equation first. 10 is equal to 3.333 and so on. We subtract equation first. Subtract equation first from second. 10x minus x equal to 3.333 minus 0.333. So 9 is equal to 3, x equal to 3 upon 9, 3 1 3 9, or x equal to 1 upon 3. Now x equal to 0.3 bar equal to 1 upon 3. We take another example. The other example is 1.272727. X equal to 1.272727 and so on. Here we see that 2 and 7 repeats itself. X equal to 1.27 bar. We write x equal to 1.272727 and take it as equation first. Now we multiply both sides of equation first by 100 because here 2 digits repeats itself. 100 is equal to 127.272727. Now we subtract equation first from second. We subtract equation first from second. So 100x minus x equal to 127.272727 minus 1.272727. 99 is equal to 126. X equal to 126 upon 99. We divide by 9 both. 9 1 is 9. 1 minus 9 3. 36. 9 4 is 36. 9 1 is 9. X equal to 14 upon 11. Clear? Now our answer is x equal to 1.27 bar equal to 14 upon 11. Now we see that the nth example. The nth example is 0.235 over bar. Clear? So first of all we multiply it by 10 so that the decimal point comes just before the repeating digit. 10 is equal to 2.35 bar. Clear? Now we write it. 10 is equal to 2.35 and so on. This is our equation first. Now we multiply by both sides by 100 because here 2 digits repeats. 100 into 10 is equal to 235.35. Subtract equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2. So 1000x minus 10x equal to 235.35 minus 2.35. So 1 minus 10, 990x equal to, after decimal point 5 is same means 0, 5 minus 2 means 3. 233. X equal to 233 upon 990. Here our answer is x equal to 2.35 bar equal to 233 upon 990. And we will discuss more about it in next video. Thank you.